Hi everyone, here are the 3 winners for the last free giveaway bags. I'm truly appreciated for all your love and support. This will be my final project for the 2021. Today, I'm gonna give him my dining chair a makeover. We have these chairs quite a few years and getting bored the color. Also, there's some stains. And I'm gonna pick this beautiful fabric to dress them up. Here's the tools I'm gonna use. This is just a regular staple gun for furniture and it had to be heavy duty. And also the staple I use in the 1/4 inch. Scissors to cut fabric and some staple puller and screwdrivers. Here we go. First, I'm going to turn the chair upside down. There's a few screws that hold the chair cover together. So we're going to unscrew all of them. There's a couple screws that I had to unfold the chair to reach them. This is a folding dining chair. Here we go. That's all the screws. I'm gonna take off these two. Now we got this naked seat to work with. I will cut the material to the size. Leave it 2 to 3 inches more for full size. And I like to cut the corners as well. And also we're gonna loose up all the staples. How to take them out. You can take the old cover off if you want, but I like to leave it there. I just cover the new layers on top of the old one. I will staple from the center or the one side and then make sure you put it tight and go to the opposite side. And the other 2 sides the same. Make sure you put it tight and just staple the corner, 4 corners. Also staple back the original black cover piece. And screw back the wood stop. Now we have to install the seat back to the chair. Put back all the screws. And make sure the screws are tightened up. After that, our chair is ready. What do you think? Do you like this pattern? Here's the chair. We got 6 of them. Did you like it? See, my chair actually matching my curtain colors. And I finished all 6 of them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time.